Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make canned foods easy guide. Begin by gathering jars, lids, a pressure canner for low-acid foods, and tested recipes. Sterilize jars and heat lids, prepare produce by washing and trimming, and pack jars leaving proper headspace. Follow recommended processing times and pressures, cool jars undisturbed, check seals, and store labeled jars in a cool, dark area for best quality. Start with the right equipment, and you reduce mistakes and waste. Choose a pressure canner for low-acid items and a water bath for high-acid items like pickles and tomatoes. Keep reliable jar lifters, funnel, and a bubble remover on hand to make packing jars neat and safe. Check gauges annually, replace worn parts, and only use lids designed for home canning to ensure a proper seal and storage. Proper technique prevents spoilage and improves texture and flavor. Fill jars leaving specified headspace, remove air bubbles, wipe rims clean, and center lids before processing. Use recipes that state exact times and pressures and adjust for your altitude when needed. After processing, let jars cool undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours, then check seals, refrigerate any jars that failed to seal, and store successful jars in a cool, dark place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.